Hey there! Are you tired of squinting at tiny text or struggling with oversized fonts while browsing on your PC? No worries. Today, I've got you covered with a quick guide on how to adjust font sizes in Google Chrome. Let's dive in. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. Then, up in the top right corner, spot and click on the three-dot icon. Next up, hit Settings from the menu that pops up. After that, navigate to Appearance on the left-hand side. Now, look for the option to change font sizes. By default, it's usually set to medium. If you need to go smaller, simply click on the box next to font size and pick small or very small. But if you prefer larger text, just select large or very large. And that's all there is to it. From now on, whenever you browse a page, the font size will match your preference. And there you have it. That's how you easily tweak font sizes in Chrome on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Hungry for more Chrome tips and tricks? Hit subscribe because I've got plenty more where that came from. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.